This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce with the typical French pronunciation the name of this famous Grand Cru Classé, a classified growth of the famous 2012 Saint-Émilion classification of the wines of Bordeaux. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of Château Fombrauge. Château Fombrauge. With the typical French pronunciation, Château Fombrauge. Château Fombrauge. Château Fombrauge. But it'd be fine to say Château Fombrauge. Château Fombrauge. Château Fombrauge. I hope this video was useful, and here is a video about Saint-Émilion if you'd like to learn more about what is the Saint-Émilion classification of the wines of Saint-Émilion and which are the best Saint-Émilion wines. And I'll leave you to it. I'll see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.